So we've got this glitch layer. Let's duplicate it twice. So we're going to do Control J and Control J again. Okay, so let's click on this one, and we're going to uncheck the red channel. And we're just going to move it a little bit to the side. And this one we'll double click and we'll get rid of the green channel. And we're going to move that a little bit to the other side. Move it up a little bit. We could actually change the initial color actually now I think about it. And this one we're going to get rid of the blue channel. Just using the arrow keys to try and position it in a slightly different way. So pretty cool. Obviously it depends on the color of your text initially, right? But just by changing, just disabling some of the channels, you're going to get something that actually fits quite well. This color. Okay. Let's get rid of the green channel. You know what I'll do is I'm going to put that on the left-hand side here. And then on this one, let's put this one on the other side. You could also, the distance between the letters might be interesting as well. If you make that, can make it almost uniform. It's almost like it's just a small accent there. I'm looking at the L here. So that one would also be would also work. So you get some pretty good effects with that.